We are coming up on some rapids. So here we are sailing the Amazon, and right off the bat we've got a problem. So we filled it up pretty well, and within 20 minutes or so we've got a lot of air loss, and our motor is sinking, and the camera here is sinking. So thankfully we have what's needed to blow it up as we're moving. So you gotta, and it's taking power just to keep up with the river. So this isn't like a passive thing. So obviously we're going upriver for now, because should something happen, we can go back to where we came from without power. So I'll plug in the air thing, and we're gonna fill up as we go. So that was just a very quick fill up. So this might be fun. We're coming up on some rapids, and this might be the end of the road. I don't know. Since we filled up the boat, it seems to be holding up, and it looks like every 20 minutes or so we're gonna need to reinflate it, which we can, so that's good. I made quite a few modifications to this little boat. So we've got a battery box, which means we can hook up our battery to the motor in a nice clean fashion. Also, it's got a battery voltage sensor, and we can hook up things like a pump, or you can charge your phone with it. It's a nice, actually survival type of a battery system. coming up on some rapids. We'll go back for now. Not bad for our first trip. We've got the canoe going, we've got the drone going, 2 cameras, the GoPro on the pole. So let me know how you like this video. I'm going to be exploring all sorts of different lakes and rivers, and if you have any comments or suggestions, I'd love to hear it. And we will see you next time on Dave's Post-Apocalyptic World. Oh boy, low battery.